Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add bank account to Binance. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to open your Binance account. So let's head on to Binance website. Alright, so over here what you have to do after going to this website is sign into your account. So here you can see I am already signed into my account. So first let me log out so I can show you what you get when you open this website. So over here you can see this sort of interface, and here you can see it is asking me to sign in from my Google account. So let's do that, and over here it will take some time to log in. So here you can see I am logged in to my account. Alright, so next what you have to do is click on your profile icon, and after that what you have to do is click on account. So once you click on account, here you can see the identification tab. So here what you have to do is verify your identity to buy and trade on Binance. So from here you can change your language to English. So here you can see. So next what you have to do is you can see the security option. Over here you can authenticate. Now next what you have to do is click on this payment tab, and over here you can see on the right hand side you can just click on add payment method, and here it says that my identification has not been verified. So what you have to do is first verify your identity, and next you have to come on this option, and here you can add your payment method. In the payment method you can successfully link your bank account. So that's it. That is how you will be able to link bank account to Binance. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.